So welcome back. We are here for the second stage of the experiment, and Dimitri has volunteered once more. And here we have a new setup. So here we have hot water again in our little beaker, and Dimitri is now gonna add some of our magic crystallization material, which was, what was it exactly? A potassium aluminium sulfate. So that is going to go into our hot solution now, and it will dissolve there. That's at least the idea. And then on cooling and evaporation of the water, we should see more crystallization. So Dimitri, why don't you give this a shot? And we're going to have a little twist on the experiment. Today we're going to add a little rock at the base of our beaker, and we would hope that crystallization really commences on our little rock as a nucleation surface. This is at least what we believe we have seen. There was a tiny little irregularity in the center of the beaker. This is where the biggest crystal last time occurred. Here's the big crystal, we extracted it, and then there were small, tiny crystallites all around the corner, the margin of our beaker at the bottom. And again, this would imply that we're using some sort of substrate in order to start nucleation for our crystals. So here we are bringing the solution up to speed, and all the little crystal powder is almost gone by now.
Yep.
So in here you can actually see the little irregularity in the center, but now we're going to cover this up with a little rock fragment. Our rock fragment is olivine rich, I would say almost peridotite, or at least a basalt. So it's a mafic rock, and we've chosen this because the color is different to the color of the expected crystals. So Dimitri, would you be good enough to put this experimental rock into the center? And here it is. So we can now let this crystallize, and here it is from several angles. And if correct, if the marsh type crystallization is correct, we would expect that this rock now acts as a major nucleation surface, as opposed to layers of crystal that would rain down from free crystallization within the solution. So I'd say this is good enough for now, and again we will need to wait until tomorrow, until the system has cooled down and evaporated a little. So we shall return to this experiment tomorrow afternoon, and I'd say we say goodbye now. So thank you very much, Dimitri, for your help, and see you soon. Thanks for the attention.